In recent years, with the rapid development of technology, the application of artificial intelligence (AI) has become more and more widespread. In such a big background, the impact of AI on human work is becoming more and more obvious. Many traditional jobs are facing the risk of being eliminated. This article will list 10 jobs that may be replaced by AI. 1. Banking member. Banking member is one of the jobs that people often need to contact in the past. But with the development of modern technology, more and more banks are starting to realize online banking, smart experience, etc. This makes the demand for bank members smaller and smaller. 2. Banker. Many malls and supermarkets now use automatic bankers. Customers complete the payment procedure by themselves, without the help of bankers. Therefore, bankers may also become jobs that are loved by people. 3. Pharmacist. Pharmacists are important people in the pharmaceutical industry. But with the continuous improvement of robot technology and artificial intelligence, some simple and repetitive jobs may be automated. For example, using a machine to complete the packaging of drugs in place of pharmaceuticals, and the storage of drugs, etc. 4. Driver. With the gradual growth of unmanned driving technology, it may no longer need a driver in the future. Some large logistics companies have begun to import automatic driving trucks. In the future, there may also be unmanned driving taxis. 5. Memory. Artificial intelligence has begun to play a role in the news field. Robot reporters can already write simple news articles. In the future, it is also possible to develop high-intelligence machines that can replace reporters. 6. Revenue. In the future, there may be more robots and smart devices in the store to complete the work of the recipient. For example, automatic purchase, intelligent inquiry, etc. These technologies may reduce the needs of the recipient. 7. Managers. In the modern business, the work of the managers is very important. However, with the progress of natural language processing technology and robots, the application of artificial intelligence is becoming more and more wide. Some simple customer problems may be handled by the second. 8. Architects. Architects are still indispensable in the modern construction industry. However, in the future, the construction industry may use robots and 3D printing technology to complete some cumbersome and dangerous work. In this way, the demand for construction workers may be reduced. 9. Office administrative staff. Office administrative staff is one of the roles that are indispensable in the modern office. However, with the development of some automated office processes, such as automatic scanning and storage files, automatic email management and schedule arrangements, some office administrative staff's work may also be neglected. 10. Restaurant waiters. In some high-tech restaurants, it is no longer a new thing to use robots to complete the work of ordering and delivering meals. These robots use artificial intelligence to identify customer needs and provide better service experience. In the future, with the progress of robot technology, there may be more restaurants using robots to complete the work of waiters. These are the 10 jobs mentioned above. After all, the development of artificial intelligence in the future has brought us a lot of benefits, but at the same time it has also put pressure on some traditional jobs. Of the 10 jobs mentioned above, it is likely to be replaced by the security. This will have a profound impact on the employment and life of the person in question. The future world is full of opportunities and challenges. The important thing is that we must be prepared and adapt to the future development situation. Thank you for watching.